Welcome. If you want to take control of the ads you see about Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on ads about Pinterest in your ad personalization settings. This update makes it easier than ever to customize your experience and stay in the loop with what Pinterest has to offer. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the very top and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account options and give you access to more settings. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to open a range of privacy and personalization controls. This is where you can manage how Pinterest uses your information, including your ad preferences. Within the Privacy and Data section, look for the option called Ads Personalization. Here, you'll see different toggles that let you decide what types of ads you want to see. Find the one that says Ads About Pinterest. To turn on Ads About Pinterest, simply toggle the switch to the On position. Once it's enabled, Pinterest will start showing you ads that are specifically about Pinterest itself, like updates, new features, and helpful tips tailored to your interests. That's it. You've now updated your ad personalization settings to include ads about Pinterest. This small change can help you stay informed about what's new on the platform while still keeping your privacy and preferences in check. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized Pinterest experience.